Hey you guys, it's Jack here in Allsorter. Just wanted to run you through really quickly the first section of our Allsorter interface, which is the profile section of the candidate. As you can see here for our sample CV of John Smith, the system has picked up all the information from the top of the screen perfectly, including name, phone number, email address, and then the candidate's home address. So for you as the recruiter, you don't need to necessarily worry about every single one of these cells because each of these cells will have a bespoke tag that will populate on your exported template. So for example, some candidates tend to only prefer to show the candidate's city location. Some people choose not to show the phone number. So that's something that as a business you need to decide on before building your bespoke template. And that means that then when you're reformatting your CVs, you will know that all you need to focus on is, for example, the candidate name and potentially email and just city. Once you're happy with the information, you simply click save.